The music industry is a billion-dollar business. What if I tell you, you can also make your own music and viral songs with no knowledge of music? Yes, you heard it right. In the age of the artificial era, you don't need any fancy equipment or any special skill to create your desired music. Making music is everyone's dream. We all have sung once in life in front of the mirror, but from the past decades, those who have the knowledge, connections, or money to afford the professional studio sessions are the only ones who are making music. But with the rise of the artificial era, things are changing. Now anyone can make their desired music with just one click. You don't need to learn about music theory to make music anymore. You just need the right video guidance like this one. So go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you think it adds value to your life. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make music using free AI and start making 4 to 5K in monthly passive income. So good to be true. Watch this. Yes, it is completely generated by AI. If you want a similar result as mine, follow all the steps. Step 1. Go to Aiva. Aiva is a one-click music generator AI tool. With this tool, you can create any kind of music with one click. Click on the Create a Free Account form here. Now create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account, you will be on this page. There is a lot of option in here. You can try it yourself, or you can leave it as default. We're going to use it later on the video. Now let's generate our music. Click on Create from a Style. You can see there is a lot of different style and genre of music are available here. Let's listen few of them. The quality of music from this AI is super realistic. Let's listen different genre. Each and every music genre is so realistic. The quality of this AI generate music is top-notch. You can also search the music style you're looking for. Let's listen. Select the one which sound good to our ear. I like Calm Lofi. You select the number of song you want to generate at a time. I will go for 3. You can also select the key of music, which can give you different result, or leave it as auto. Select your desired duration. Wait for a few minutes to be complete. Now listen your music. You can create unlimited time with this AI, with no limit. Now let's generate another song with different key signature. Now let's listen. You can see that we are able to generate 6 different type of song in different key signature and time duration. It gives different result each time. Now select the one you like. You can edit your own composition manually. You can select any instrument like melody, chords, bass, percussion, and change it to your liking. But for that, you need to download IVA software in your PC. Don't worry, it's completely free. You can also change the speed of your track. By changing the tempo, it will change your speed of your track. Now download the song which you like. With free version, there is always some limitation. Now we need some lo-fi art images for our video. Head over to Runway ML, log in with your account, and generate your image with text to video. Type your prompt. Play around with camera angle, motion, and art style. And generate your image. Wait for a few seconds. Definitely, it doesn't meet my expectations. Now we're going to use another free AI to generate our Lofi Girl image. Head over to Leonardo AI, log in with your account. Now this AI website will help to generate our image. Type your image prompt, and wait for a few seconds. The result is stunning. I like the image, but I need something different than this. Don't forget to change the aspect ratio. If you are generating images for YouTube, select the 16:9 ratio. Now let's change our prompt and generate different images. Wait for a few seconds. If you are happy with the result, select the one you like. Now upscale the image. It will provide you with a high-resolution image. Download it. Head over to Runway ML. Now we need to add motion to our image. Drag the image. Select the motion brush features. Select the area where you want to add motion. When you're done with your brush, now it's time for the motion. Play around with the Runway ML motion feature. It will bring your image back to life. Now generate the video and wait for a few seconds. When your video is ready, preview it. If you are happy with the result, download it. I always like to generate 4 to 5 more extras. Let's generate it. Let me fast forward the video. It's a time-consuming process. Don't stick with the same motion. Always try to experiment with different motion angles. Always preview your result before finalizing your final video. When you find the right one, it's time to download it. Select the right one and download it. We still have the Runway ML watermark on our video. Now we need to get rid of the watermark. Go to the online video cutter. Drag your video. Select the area of the watermark. And start processing. Wait a few seconds. And download it. Now we need to edit our video. Import your files to your video editing software, drag them to the timeline, and start editing your video. Make sure to copy and paste the video. When you are done with it, let's add more texture to our video. Select all the videos and play around with the color setting. Don't overdo it. Keep it simple and adjust it to your liking. When you are done editing, it's time to export our video. Now it's time to create our brand new YouTube channel. We will use Chatgpt to create our channel name. Let's ask Chatgpt to suggest a 10 unique name idea for our brand new YouTube channel. I like number 9. It sounds unique and catchy to me. But I think it can be a little more catchy. Let's ask Chatgpt to make it more unique. Now we need an SEO-friendly description for our YouTube channel. Instead of typing it manually, we will ask Chatgpt. When we are done with it, it's time to generate a logo for our YouTube channel. Head over to Bing AI, log in using your email, type your prompt, and wait for a few seconds. Bing AI images are really amazing. Select the one you like and download it. Now let's create our YouTube channel. Copy and paste the name and description from Chatgpt. Upload your video. Wait for a few seconds. And look, we don't have any copyright claim on our video, which means we can monetize it. Let me publish it and show you. Look, we don't have a claim on our video. But before we wrap up the video, thank you for staying till the end of the video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And follow me on all social media. I'm giving away $2,500 to one of you when my channel hits 100K subscribers. So please help me reach the goal. And don't forget to leave a comment if you like this video.